Want extra cash? Tired of the office? Working from home is the answer. You can set your own hours, spend more time with family, and be your own boss. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Imagine working in your pajamas. No commute, no traffic, no stress. Just you, your computer, and endless possibilities. Making money from home is freedom. It's a chance to live life on your terms. The internet has opened up so many opportunities. You can sell your skills online or turn your hobbies into income. Let's explore some easy methods. Online surveys. Share your opinion, earn rewards. Companies want your feedback. Sign up for survey sites and get paid for your thoughts. It's that simple. Freelance writing. Are you good with words? Turn your writing skills into cash. Websites and businesses need content. You can write articles, website copy, or even social media posts. Virtual assistant. Busy professionals need help. Offer your services as a virtual assistant, manage emails, schedule appointments, and handle tasks remotely. It's like being a personal assistant, but online. Getting started is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps. 1. Choose your method. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Pick a method that aligns with your skills and interests. 2. Find your platform. There are countless websites and platforms for making money online. Do your research and find the right fit for you. 3. Create your profile. Present yourself professionally and highlight your skills. This is your first impression, so make it count. 4. Start working. The best way to learn is by doing. Take on small projects and build your experience. Working from home requires discipline. It's easy to get distracted, but with a little planning you can balance work and life. Set boundaries. Create a dedicated workspace and stick to a schedule. Let your family know when you're working and shouldn't be disturbed. Take breaks. Step away from the computer regularly. Go for a walk, have a snack, or just stretch your legs. Prioritize tasks. Make a to-do list and tackle the most important tasks first. This will help you stay organized and productive. Remember, making money from home is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the journey.